Hello students, welcome back to the another session of Satyanarayana Study Circle. Today we are going to learn about derivation of 1 by r is equal to 1 by r1 plus 1 by r2 plus 1 by r3. Equivalent resistance of a parallel connection. Students, a diagram, see. If a number of resistors are connected in between two common points, A, B common points, so that each of them provides a separate path for current here I, then they are said to be connected in parallel connection. What are parallel connections are? Let's see students. This is cell, positive terminal, positive terminal, positive terminal, negative, 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 all positive terminal, one connect the one point, all negative point terminals connecting one point. This is called parallel connection. You know, right? Students, as shown in figure, consider three resistors R1, R2, R3 connected in parallel connection. Suppose a current I flows through the current when a cell of voltage V is connected across the combination. The current I at point A is divided into three parts. Students, here see, I1, I2, I3. Okay, students. Through the resistors R1, R2, R3, R1, R2, R3 resistors here. R1, R2, R3 resistors, I1, I2, I3 currents. You know students. Next, respective. These three parts recombine at point B to give same I current. Here A point at I, B at point I. Okay, understood? Students. Next, therefore, I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. Students, right, next, as all three resistors have been connected between the same 2 points here, A, B, 2 points, students. Voltage V across each of them is same. Then according to the Ohm's law, students, according to Ohm's law, you know, I is equal to V by R. I is equal to V by R. Same here, I1 is equal to V by R1. Students, I2 is equal to V by R2. Students, I3 is equal to V by R. Remember it. Students, next, if RP be equivalent resistance of parallel combination, then I is equal to V by RP. Students, all values I1, I2, I3 values here substituting, but I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3 for substituting. V by RP is equal to V by R1 plus V by R2 plus V by R2. Here see, left side, V by RP is equal to V common, right? V into 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Students, therefore here V cancel. Students, left side, right side, see, what is voltage cancel. Therefore 1 by RP is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. This derivation of 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Okay students, and please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. This is Satyanarayana signing off.